Good morning, everyone. I'm sorry for the 5 minutes delay due to this system got restarted. So let me introduce myself. This is Chandra from RTL Online Trainings and Placement, and we are here today for Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM demo sessions. We are going to have 3 demo sessions today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. We are going to have 3 demo sessions. And after that, we are going to have regular sessions. In these 3 demo sessions, I'm going to explain what is cloud, what is cloud HCM, what are the different offerings Oracle has provided for us, and who are the clients right now available, and who are the competitors for Oracle. And then we are going to have sample setups and what modules we are going to discuss, these 2 things. So next 2 days, we are going to have the demo sessions on the same meeting. I kept everyone as on mute due to some noise in the session. After 15 minutes, I'll unmute. We can have doubt session. During that, if you have any doubts, you have the option called raise. Click on the raise hand option. I'll unmute so that we can discuss any doubts are there. Or you can send a message in the chat window. We can have doubts discussion. Okay. So today, what we are going to get finally is what is cloud, what is Oracle Cloud, what are different cloud companies we have. Excuse me. What is ERP? What is Fusion Applications, Cloud ERP? What is Fusion HCM applications? What are the modules we have in HCM? What are the jobs we have and responsibilities in this particular HCM? Then what is current market? Then Fusion Applications introduction. And front end. Navigation part. So we are going to talk about all this. We are going to discuss about all these options. Okay. So first we'll discuss what is cloud and why nowadays every clients are looking for a cloud environment nowadays. So cloud is nothing but virtual server. Cloud is nothing but virtual server. It's indirectly, it's a server. It's actually hardware. Cloud is nothing but indirectly, it is a hardware. So now earlier what happened, clients used to maintain their own server to maintain their day-to-day business transactions. Whatever the applications they have, they might be using single application or multiple applications, either .NET or Java or Oracle, SAP, any applications they are using. To maintain those applications, everybody used to have their own server. They used to maintain their own IP address. Through that IP address, employees used to connect to the server and perform the business transactions, day-to-day business transactions like sales, payments, receivables, procurement, employee hirings, transfer, payslips, payroll, compensation, benefits, everything. But after that, it's very difficult for the clients to maintain, and also it is difficult to use the latest versions of the applications, because nowadays in the market, every product, every year or every 6 months, we are getting the new version into the market. It's very difficult for the clients to upgrade their applications to the latest versions. So what they do is generally they used to maintain their own old application, and even companies also have started using the cloud environment. They are offering the cloud environment. So if the clients comes to the cloud, instead of maintaining their own servers, if clients start using the cloud, then it will be benefit for them from the cost wise, security wise, as well as upgrading using the latest applications. Okay, so client no need to worry. For example, let's say client has got licensed one reporting tool today, and after 6 months, latest version has came into the market. Now client no need to worry about if they are in the cloud. Automatically it will be updated. So the new features which are introduced in the latest version, it's up to the client whether they want to use it or not, but they will be always on the latest version. So that's what Oracle says also. Once you migrate your complete IT infrastructure into the cloud, then forget about the word called migration or upgradation. So one time only you migrate all your products from your on-premises, means from your servers into the cloud. Next, you can forget about the migrations and upgrades. That we will take care of. That will take care of the upgradation part. Okay. So what is basically cloud means? It's a virtual server where our employees will be connecting to the servers and performing the operations. How the employees are going to connect is, obviously employees will be connecting through internet, like how the way we connect. Generally, if clients are maintaining the individual servers, so how they will connect? Employees will come to the office and they'll go for connect it, right? In the same way, they are going to connect here also. Like this URL through internet, our employees will be connecting to the cloud environment and start performing the operations here. Okay. What are different cloud companies we have in the market? So here in the cloud, there is nothing to do. Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. The companies will provide the servers on rental basis. Clients will buy or take the license per month, how much, or per year or 5 years, depends on the requirement, depends on the agreement they'll be paying, and according to that they are going to start using the product. What are different cloud companies we have available? Top companies: Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, then we have Google Cloud, then we have Oracle Cloud, then we have Salesforce, then we have Workday, and there are a lot of other cloud companies which are generally famous in a few countries, not across the world. Okay, not across the world. So here, if we look at AWS, Amazon Web Services, they are number one in the cloud because they started providing the cloud services in 2005. In 2005 itself, they started providing the cloud services. Azure 2008 and Google in 2006. Oracle in 2014, they started providing the cloud services. Of course, Salesforce is there from 2009, I hope, and then 2012 we got Workday. This. So out of all these companies, Salesforce and Workday, they are not providing the cloud option, infrastructure option to the clients. It means if client says that I want to use the Salesforce, then they are ready to give the Salesforce application as a cloud or Workday application as a cloud. They don't have the servers. As I said, cloud is nothing but internally it's a virtual server, and you are trying to utilize that server. Okay, in that server, you can go for install your applications, and your employees will be joining and performing day-to-day operations. Right. Okay, so here Salesforce and Workday does not have the infrastructure option, so they don't provide. I'll tell you what is meant by infrastructure options here. Only these four companies are providing that facility. Only these four companies, they are providing that facility. When SAP also is there, SAP also has got ERP, cloud ERP option, but they don't have the infrastructure options. Okay, only these four companies are there. Only these four companies are having cloud infrastructure and cloud ERP. Both the options are there. These companies are having only cloud ERP. They have only cloud ERP. Now we'll discuss what is meant by cloud ERP and cloud infrastructure. Okay, let's say there is a client called Birla Sun Life Insurance Company. There is a client called Birla Sun Life Insurance. Birla Sun Life Insurance. So it's an insurance-based company. It's a insurance-based company. They have business in India, US, and UK. Let's say they have around 400 branches. They have 25,000 employees, and almost they have four companies. They have registered four companies in 3 countries, and they are performing day-to-day transactions. 25,000 employees, they are coming to the office every day, and they are involving in the company business operations, like shipping the material, selling the products to customer, collecting the amounts from the customer, procure the goods or services from the suppliers, like all the operations. Now, Birla Sun Life Insurance are in the business from 1999. Let's say they are in the business from 1999, and they are using this Java application so far, and they are also using some web applications, and they are using database MySQL. They are using MySQL. So they have got already some infrastructure, IT infrastructure they have. From 1999 onwards, they are using this Java web applications and MySQL to maintain their day-to-day business operations. Now, Birla Sun Life Insurance Company has decided to go to the move into the cloud. They decided to move into the cloud. The reason is they wanted to maintain all the business operations from the cloud. They don't want to maintain their own servers because it's getting very expensive and also risky, and not able to get the latest tools into the applications immediately. It's taking long time. Okay, so the reason that's the reason this client has decided, okay, I don't want to maintain all these applications in my server. I want to move into the cloud. It means I will take servers as a rental per month or per year or for 5 years, whatever the agreement. Okay, so now this client want to shut down their servers, and they want to use the cloud and keep their applications in the cloud, means in the servers, and start running those applications and make the payment to the cloud company. They want this service. For that, Amazon company is ready, Azure company is ready, Google is ready, Oracle is ready. But these companies are not. They says that in the cloud, we have our applications. If you say you will get your applications, we are not in the business of providing the servers for rental to keep your applications. Only my applications are there. Once you come to the cloud, you can start using my applications, but you cannot install your applications over here. But what these companies are doing, we are ready to provide the servers, empty servers to you. so that you can start install your applications. And we have our own tools also in the cloud environment, means in the servers. It's up to you whether you want to use those tools or not. If you want to use those tools, then some of the tools are free of cost. Some of the tools you are supposed to pay based on the subscription based. Okay. And you don't need to worry about your applications. You can just lift your applications from your server and shift into our cloud environment. That's what we call it as a lift and shift. Lift the product from your servers and shift into our cloud servers, our cloud environment. So 24/7, we will take care of it. These companies will take care of 24/7 your servers, and everything will be under the control of all this company DBAs. If you want to maintain your DBA team, administration team, no problem. You can maintain for monitoring or any services execution. But if you say, no, I'm not, I don't want to take that risk, then we are ready to take up that. Okay, so these companies are providing the IT infrastructure to the clients, saying that we have the servers, we have the tools, we have the products in the servers. You can go for take for rental and start using those tools and build applications and sell it to the customers. Or you can start using directly the products. Or if you have your own applications, you can build, you can shift into our cloud environment. So that's the cloud business and also the tools they are providing in the cloud environment. But these people will just provide the cloud applications. They are not in a position to provide the infrastructure service. Infrastructure service, they are not providing to the customers. Okay. So Amazon and Azure, Google Cloud, they were very early entered into the market. Oracle has came very late, but almost they are in trying to keep with the AWS competitor. Recently, Uber has taken up Oracle Cloud to maintain their complete transportations information. TikTok is already using Oracle servers to maintain their data and other things. Okay, there are some thousands of companies that started using this Oracle Cloud and using some tools. I'm sure that by 2025, Oracle Cloud is going to be the #1 cloud in the world compared to AWS or Azure or Google. There are two strong reasons. The first one is Oracle is providing the cloud services compared to AWS less price. So Oracle calculator is very less compared to AWS. Generally, AWS provide less, but Oracle is too. AWS does not have strong database. They do not have strong ERP products in the cloud. They do not have strong analytical tools or artificial intelligence or machine learning tools not available in the cloud. Okay, because if any client wants to come to the cloud environment, it's not only the server. Generally, clients will not expect not only the server, because they says that even though it is expensive or risky, we are ready to maintain our own servers. We are not in a position to use your servers, but still, if you provide the best tools, best database applications and best ERP applications, reporting tools, analytical tools available in the cloud, then the clients will be interested to move into the cloud environment because they wanted to utilize those tools and products. Excuse me. Make sure that their business is going in a faster way up to date. Okay. So that in that tools and products wise, Oracle is #1. So we don't have those many tools and products in these three cloud companies, in these three cloud servers. We do not have. Okay, so that's about the different types of cloud companies which are available in the market. Okay, now we'll discuss what is Oracle Cloud. So we talked about so far what is cloud and what are different cloud companies. Now we are going to talk about what is Oracle Cloud. Indirectly, Oracle servers, where these servers are established. These servers are established in Oracle data centers, where these data centers are there. Almost to 42 data centers we have across the world. In India, we have two data centers. In India, one is in Mumbai, another one is in Hyderabad. Data centers we have. Amazon is, I think it's 39. Azure, it's 36. Google generally will not come into the public market because their business is more. The cloud is required for them. They don't need actually into the customer point of view. Not much ERPs and database or other tools available with them. Okay. So Oracle has started. They wanted to be in the first place. So that's why they opened the data centers across the world in every country, almost. So the reason opening the data centers, what is data center? Data center contains the supercomputers with computer cloud technologies, cloud computing technologies architecture they will be using, maintain the multiple layers, and all the cloud features will be maintained. Okay, so all these clients has to use this data centers, So earlier what happened, for example, this Birla Sun Life Insurance, this client has established their business in India. Now Oracle executive meet Birla stakeholders and ask for move these IT infrastructures to the cloud. We are ready to provide this much of facilities. These are the tools, and we are ready to give this discount and all this. Then the next question Birla will ask, where your data centers are established. Then they say Chicago or California, somewhere in France or in Singapore. Or don't you have the data centers in India? Because the local region, the clients are expecting. If I'm doing business in Singapore, and if you establish data center in Singapore, I'm ready to use your servers. I'm ready to use your cloud infrastructure, IT infrastructure, either shared servers or dedicated servers. It's up to the client. Okay. So that's the reason. This is very common. It's not only for Oracle. Almost every cloud company has to start data centers across the world. Then only clients will be interested to keep their applications in the cloud environment and start using those applications. And whatever the usage they have done, they'll pay, or they'll pay some fixed amount. Okay. So that's the reason Oracle has provided data centers across the world. In India itself, we have two data centers in Mumbai and Hyderabad. In fact, you can search those things. Oracle data centers in India. Oracle launches second data center in India, providing cloud services to the customers. Yeah, in 2020, June 30. June 30, 2020. That's the word where it is going to happen. Somewhere navigation, see. Okay, fine. It's not an issue. Okay, so that's how it's going to be the data centers available in the based on some particular region, based on some particular regions. Here it is. Okay. Next, we are talking about what is Oracle Cloud. So Oracle Cloud means Oracle servers which are available in the data centers. As I said, only servers are available in the market or in the server. The clients may or may not be interested to move their business applications into the cloud environment. So that's why what cloud companies will do is they'll mention what are the tools are available in the servers, what are the products are available in the server, so that clients will be interested. So in Oracle Cloud, what are the different tools are available? We have Oracle database. We have Apex tool for development of forms and reports. And we have OAC, Oracle Analytics Cloud. We have IC, Oracle Infrastructure Cloud. OICS, Oracle Integration Cloud Services to integrate multiple applications for data exchanging. And we have forms. We have reports builder, form builder, reports builder. Then we have the extract applications. And we have other tools available in the cloud. When it comes to the products, we have Oracle Fusion Applications, ERP. Oracle Fusion Applications, ERP we have. We have NetSuite. We have Oracle EBS, ERP. We have PeopleSoft. We have JD Edwards tool, JD Edwards ERP. But these are old ERPs. Okay. So a lot of other products are there. So whenever any client decided to come to Oracle Cloud, it means client says that so far I am using on-premises servers. So going forward, I don't want to continue with that. I would like to use your servers. I wanted to know where your data centers are established and what is the cost I am supposed to pay for usage and what are the tools are available in your servers. What are the products are available so that I can subscribe to those tools and products. I'll start using the tools and build the products and sell to my customers. I'll start using your products and directly I can go for maintain my business data. This. Okay. So in Oracle Cloud, we have a lot of tools and products available. It's up to the client what they wanted to use it here. Okay. So out of that, we are talking about now Fusion Applications, ERP software. This is what we are discussing. Okay. So before this, whatever we have talked about is, it's a general, it's a general discussion. What is cloud, different cloud companies, what is Oracle Cloud? And now we are going to talk about what is Fusion Applications ERP. So Fusion Applications is one of the cloud ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. If any client is doing some business, maybe they are in finance sector, banking sector, insurance, automobiles, textiles, manufacturing, education, retail industry, or pharmaceutical, or in agriculture, or in any education, even government also, public services. So to maintain their day-to-day business transactions, enterprises are required a single application which will be suitable to maintain their financials data, means accounting information, sales data, procurement data, employees data, and also their manufacturing information, planning information. This all they wanted to maintain in a single application. If any application says that all this enterprise data we can maintain in a single product, we call that product as a ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So Birla Sun Life Insurance is one of the enterprise. They have a number of resources. Here resources means employees, machineries, products, suppliers, customers, banks, all comes under the resources. We have to use those resources in a proper plan. Then we can get a better results in our business. That's what we call it as ERP maintenance, Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. Okay. So there are a number of ERP products are available in the market, Salesforce, Workday, SAP, like this. But they are not that much fast in the cloud environment. When I say fast, vast application they do not have. Salesforce is good in CRM. Workday is okay in HCM. SAP is in supply chain management. But Oracle Fusion Applications is good in financials, HCM, supply chain management, and also in ORC. CRM is there, but not much. CRM is always Salesforce. That's confirmed. I don't think so. We can compete with the Salesforce in CRM. Then all these four areas, now Oracle is giving very tight fight to the SAP and for Workday. SAP and Workday. Workday is okay in HCM. It's our competitor for Fusion HCM. SAP in supply chain management. Finance, nobody is there. So Oracle is the first place. And ORC, of course, nobody is there. Oracle Recruitment Cloud. And CRM, obviously, we can say Salesforce is in first place. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. We know that every client, once they sell the product to the customers, after that, they are supposed to maintain the relationship with the customer, to extend their support to customer, and also maintain the relation with the customer, get the next level business and all. That's the reason we will find CRM software. All the call center, whoever is having call center, they'll be using this CRM software to maintain the entire operations, whatever they are doing. Let's say customer will call to call center and they will raise a complaint. I have purchased your product. I have a warranty. Can you provide the service? I got so-and-so problem. Immediately that complaint needs to be assigned to the support engineer. Then that person will take an appointment with the customer. And then he'll go to customer place, or customer will come to office. Then the problem might be fixed and update the status, how much time it has taken, how much operations cost we got for that, and entire operations cost, how much we are getting after selling the product to the customer. Just for giving the support also you are getting expenditure, right? So this all is a part of the business. We are going to maintain all these business transactions in the system. Okay, that's what we call it as CRM. Okay, this is ORC, Oracle Recruitment Cloud. It's an onboarding process. It's also has got very good feedback from the customers. Recently, Oracle has launched around 2 years back. Now it's good. Okay, so the major part in Oracle says, as I said, this companies does not have the IT infrastructure. If any client says that I'm ready to use your ERP software and also I have my own applications, I would like to shift all these applications also into the cloud. Are you ready to give the server access? Because I don't want to close my applications. I want to close my server. I want to lift my applications and shift into your cloud, means shift into your servers. And also I'm interested to use your products. Are you having these facilities? No. Salesforce, Workday, SAP do not have that business. What is their business? We have our products and we have our tools in the server. You can subscribe and pay and start using the tools, build the products and sell to your customer, start using the products and maintain your business data. That's the only business. That's the only service we provide. But these people are not like that. You want only server? Okay, let's come. I'm ready to allocate one dedicated server or shared server to you. You can run entire your operations through this and you can just make the payment for only server usage. If you are interested, then use my tools. If you are interested, then use my products. Otherwise, you don't need to worry about it. That business these people are not having. That's why SAP is the major competitor for ERP product. These people are good in only some specific area like HCM or CRM, Salesforce CRM, Workday HCM is good like that. But SAP is the only competitor for Oracle from 1995. from 1995, but earlier it was on-premises, SAP versus Oracle applications ERP software. But in cloud environment, SAP is not that much faster compared to Oracle. Due to this reason, Oracle has completely entered into the cloud business with 42 data centers across the world. SAP still does not have those many data centers, and they are not in at all on business. Okay, fine. So here we can say that Oracle Fusion Applications is going to be the #1 cloud ERP product down the line in another 2 years. So because of providing the number of offerings to the customers, number of facilities across the world for accessing. So that's the reason this will be the #1 ERP in the next level here. Okay. Oracle Fusion Applications ERP. So in Fusion Applications, as I said, it is one of the ERP product. We have financials, Fusion Financials is there, Fusion HCM is there, Fusion CRM, but these are famous. Finance, HCM, supply chain management is okay. Still order management, there are some issues, but it's okay. Definitely that they will come up. And ORC, it's proved, deployed, stable. It's got stability. And CRM is not that much. It's still struggling, not that much flexibility. So these are the main. Okay. Now we are talking about this human capital management. Human capital management. Who will use this software? Who are the clients? Okay. If there are any clients who are having some thousands of employees, to maintain those employees' information, employee skills, employee salaries, employee leaves, employee benefits, and employee security, and employees' compensation, employee timesheets, all this data I wanted to maintain, so that I can easily manage all my thousands of employees, skills, operations, assignments, and everything. In those people will be starting using this human capital management. In India, ICICI Bank, they are using. They have 45,000 employees. They started using Fusion HCM application from 2016 onwards. 2016 onwards, they started using. Vodafone, they use telecom services. They use Fusion HCM. Act FiberNet is one of the FiberNet provide services. They have 12,500 employees across India. They use this software to maintain their employees' data and other information. So these are just general clients information I am telling, but across the world, thousands of customers have started already using these applications. Oracle has already got some track in the ERP. It's not today. Earlier, they were using these ERPs. They used to sell this Oracle EBS ERPs, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, this ERP. NetSuite also is ERP. It's a one small product from Oracle Cloud. If clients are having less than 4,000 employees, generally Oracle will suggest go for NetSuite. If client says that I have more than 5,000 employees, they suggest Fusion applications. This is for big clients. But NetSuite is not that much flexibility. If we have some business across the world, multiple countries, multiple branches, a number of integrations and other, then it will be difficult. We don't find much flexibility. Fusion applications is okay. Anything you can do. When I say anything, you can go for build, you can customize, you can personalize, you can integrate, export and import. All the operations can be performed in Fusion applications. Here it is. Okay. So if any client decided, yes, I want to use a HCM application to maintain my employees' information, then what are the modules you have in human capital management? The first module, global HR, we call it as GHR, or we call it as core HR. This is mandatory. Any HCM client, if at all they wanted to use, they are supposed to go for global HR, it's mandate. Here, what we will maintain in this module is, this is the base for human capital management application. In this module, we are going to design organization hierarchy, nothing but what is head office, what is sales office, what is warehouses, what are the legal offices. This all we are going to establish. And here only we are going to configuring the workforce structure, nothing but employee structure. When we are hiring one employee to our company, we are going to assign some manager, location, department, job, position, grade. This all comes under assignment. So all this workforce structure we are going to configure, approvals we are going to configure, employee hiring, that's what we call it as workforce life cycle. Okay, so and then we are going to setting up the securities, trees, hierarchies, mass updates. This all will do it. So global HR is the base module where we are going to maintain all our information about the organization hierarchy and other things. Then we are going to have the payroll module. This will be used to maintain the payroll information, employee salaries, how we will go for configure the elements, earning elements, deduction elements, payroll setup. Let's say I have 20,000 employees. End of the month, if I run the payroll, system should calculate salaries for all 20,000 employees and also generate the pay slips. This is all we are going to configure in this module. And options management module. In this module, we are going to maintain the employees' leaves, employee options is leaves and other information. So in this leave management, we will be maintaining the different types of plans, eligibility profiles, and rules and regulations we are going to restrict over here. That's what we call it as an options management. Okay, then after that, we are going to have the talent management. Talent management will have a group of simple modules to maintain the employee talent. So once employee join in the organization, employee might have completed some certifications, goals, performance, profiles, talent review, succession plan, career development. These all things we are supposed to manage. That's all comes under talent management module. OTL, time and labor, it's like timesheet, data entry, and compensation module. This is used to maintain the employee compensation plans, benefits plans we have. These are different benefits we'll be finding. So these are the major modules we'll find in human capital management. So whenever we are applying for a job in Fission applications, the first question they'll ask you, are you a finance consultant or supply chain management or human capital management? If we say we are human capital management, are you a functional consultant or technical consultant? Functional consultant will perform the setups. Technical consultant will build the reports, will load the data, extract the data, write SQL queries. This is all technical consultant will be performing. Whoever is good in technical, coding side, they go for HCM technical. If you say, I can't write coding, I just wanted to be a functional, I wanted to do in the setups and all, they'll go for functional. Right now, the market is good for functional because in the cloud, technical job will be a little bit less. Nowadays, functional consultants itself, they started learning the technical also because they wanted to be available for the companies in both the positions, functional and technical. First, they'll learn the functional and be master in that. Then start learning technical. Once you are good in functional, then learning technical won't take much time and build that technical prospectus also. That's how they are going to do it. Okay. So when we are talking about this particular course, this is going to be 100% functional. These are the 4 modules we are going to learn. Global HR, payroll, options, and talent management. 100% we are going to learn end to end. You can apply for a job saying that I am experienced in global HR, payroll, options, and talent management. Complete implementation. I can directly interact with the business users, gather the requirement, prepare a documentation, get the approval from the clients, and do the setups, and then test those setups and deliver to the client. I can involve from end to end after completion of this course. That's what we are going to learn. Complete implementation, end to end, we are going to learn. Right from the designing, development, testing, production. This is all we are going to learn. Including that, we are going to explain the technical part also. BI reports, OTBI, HCM extracts, HCM data loaders, ADF personalizations. This all comes under technical. This all comes under technical. So if you have still enough time, enough capabilities, yes, I can go for learning. You can go for master in that also. Or you can have just overview, because when you go for an interview and says that I'm working in a cloud HCM last 3 years, I implemented 3 modules, global HR and options, as a functional consultant. If they ask you, can you tell me how to build one simple report? No, I'm not a technical guy. I'm a functional. I don't know how to build one simple report. Then they may say that last 3 years you are a functional and you are in the same environment. You should have at least some idea how to do that. Maybe you are not done. It's okay. But you should have some idea, right? I know how to build a report, but I have not done any time because I still not concentrated in that area. If at all still we want to do the report, we'll go to BI reports environment, build the data model, and then define parameters. We'll build layout model, and then we'll try to test the report and make it as a ESS job, and we'll submit from scheduled process. This answer will be a better than that I don't have idea about BI report. It won't take much time also, 30 minutes to 1 hour. You can learn how to build a BI report. Same thing, how many topics are there? Technically 5 topics. What are that? BI reports, OTBI, extract, HDL, ADF personalization. It takes maximum 4 hours time to get an overview of the technical. That's what we are going to learn. We are providing that also. Okay. So you can apply as functional consultant having some knowledge on HCM technical. Still, if you want to improve that skills, if you are from coding background, technically or sound, then you can go for expand your skills from the technical point of view also. We provided the mobile app for that. Technically, there are some on-demand courses. Anytime you can subscribe for those courses and learn those courses over there. Okay, so that's about the technical part. When it comes for the functional, as I said, there are mainly 7 modules we have in human capital management. Out of 7, we are going to learn 4 modules. This 4. Why we are talking about only these 4 modules is most of the requirements comes in these 4 modules. Generally, their expectation will be strong in 2 modules for 3 to 4 years of experience. But we are going to be strong in 4 modules. Whatever the training I'm going to give, if you are good theoretically and practically, then you can apply it for 3 to 4 years of experience in India. If it is on-site like US and all, they'll go ahead with 7 to 8 years. It's very quite common. Okay. So these 4 modules, I'm going to give the training end-to-end implementation process. You can easily go for perform directly in the project without any support. If you are good with my training, like whatever I have given the training, if you have practiced well, and I give some documents, go through the documents and give some assignments, go through that assignments and perform, then you will be able to do that. Okay. So that's how we are going to do in our training. That's going to be the syllabus part of the functional modules as well as the technical areas. Okay. So we talked about what modules we have in HCM and jobs and responsibilities. Current market is an outstanding for HCM. We know that in this right now recession across the world, but still HCM, Oracle, ERP products will never down. At the same time, there won't be that much mass hiring also. It's a stabilized product. The smooth market will be going on always in the cloud. So this is navigation part when it comes to the front end. Here we can get, yeah, before we go into the navigation, we'll take up that tomorrow, navigation part. So it's a long time we had discussion. Let me unmute everyone. You can talk about, yeah, please go ahead with the doubts. Please go ahead with the doubts. We talked about all these topics so far.
Hi, I have one down.
Please go ahead.
You said we can learn both the way in the cloud, functional and technical. Is it okay? Because your session's also going in technical at 6:30 p.m. something, right?
We are going to have this 6:30 to 7:30. It's our functional, completely functional. After this, we are going to provide, I'm going to provide you the overview of this technical. For every topic, I'm going to show you how to build one BI report, one OTBI analysis. And still, if you are interested to learn these modules, there are some self-paced videos we have posted in our mobile app. You can go for subscribe for those courses and learn the in-depth of technical.
Okay, yeah.
We do not have live sessions for the HCM technical position, HCM technical course. Okay, this course is going to be 100% functional and let's say 30% technical.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Any other doubts here?
Yeah, even 30% also is a mandatory, no, to learn this technical things.
Yeah, that I'm going to explain, right? You can easily do one BI report, one OTBI. This all I'll explain the topics.
And moreover, like SQL is a mandatory for this, no?
For technical BI reports.
So even SQL also, like Chandragar, are you going to help me out in technical, like SQL or like
SQL is there already in my mobile app. Excuse me. In my mobile app, SQL course is already there. It's around 10 hours course. I can go for self-paced, take up that course. So here we are not going to cover here. Here our intention is make the consultant is strong as a implementation consultant in the functional area.
Okay, in functional, like, one small thing, like in functional, we don't use the coding part anywhere, no? Like it's an total on only like what do you say that
setups.
Setups.
Setups configurations we are going to perform. Securities, roles, this all data access, and we will perform all this. We don't use coding anywhere.
Okay. So wherein we use for SQL commands or queries?
BI reports. Only one place, BI reports.
Okay.
Excuse me. BI reports, we do that. Yes. Yes, any other doubts, please?
Sir, any other prerequisites to this HCM?
Not required. We are going to treat everybody as a fresher to this cloud HCM applications. In fact, I trained campus BTech final year campus students in last batch 6 members, and we placed as a trained fresher in Chennai based startup company, and they are very well performing. They do not have any idea about industry. They don't have any. So we treat that everybody is a fresher, and we'll take we treat audience or freshers, and we'll take up from fresher to expert level. Yes. Any other doubts?
Yeah, I have a couple of questions, sir.
Go ahead.
So time and labor will not be covered in this?
No, time and labor we are not going to cover. That time and labor, compensation and benefits. All these 3 modules As I said, in our mobile app, we have provided the self-paced training. After this modules, if you want to learn those modules, you can learn. Because if at all we want to learn these 3 modules, first you have to be strong in this area.
Got it.
Then only these modules. Most of the consultants, what they do is, first they'll be learning these modules and enter into the market. Then they'll try to upgrade their skills into these modules.
Okay. Okay. One last question from my end, sir. So
Yes,
I am having
please.
a 12 years of experience. So
Yeah,
is it good to switch to HCM?
Yeah. It's always right now. It is human capital is an emerging market right now. It's good opportunities,
Yeah,
and
freshers it's okay, but I have 12 years experience, so I got my question.
for functional we required more experience.
Okay.
For functional consultants, they will expect more experience because we have to understand the business and interact with the clients, business users, and prepare a documentation. So that's why it's okay, not an issue having more experience. It's always count. And now, in fact, Oracle HCM Cloud's minimum package is 10 lakhs, and now it's 38 lakhs. 38 is going on package in the human capital management.
Okay.
Yeah. Fine, guys. I hope you are clear everything, and I request everyone please subscribe for our YouTube channel, RTL Online Trainings and Placements. We have 8,330 valid cloud subscribers. This is purely for cloud environment, cloud YouTube channel. I'll be posting real-time questions, interviews, and everything because we are very strong in the placements. We are strong in training as well as placements. We know that in the market what questions they are asking, and every day our students will be attending at least 7 to 8 interviews in online or in offline in our Hyderabad office. We are in Ameerpet and we are planning to launch it in KPHP down the line, 2 branches. And every day we used to get at least 30 to 40 interview questions from our students. I used to explain this is the answer you are supposed to give and all. Some of the questions I used to prepare and keep it in our YouTube channel. Subscribe for that to get the latest information about the cloud. And as I said, our channel is our mobile app has been introduced to provide the helping for other assignments and all. So whatever course we have syllabus, also we are going to have the assignments. So through mobile app, we are going to provide the assignments. You can start working those assignments. And if anybody is looking for a placement, yeah, you can always go ahead with our RTL online trainings.
So it's purely online training, right, sir? No offline trainings.
Training will not be an offline because 6:30 we don't know it is an offline. But we are based out in Hyderabad. I'll be available in office in Hyderabad from 10 o'clock to 5 p.m., 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I'll be in office doing the work from office. So that time, if any doubts or things are there, you can come to our office. There are people who are doing the practice and attending the interviews. Any doubts, I'll clarify. But session is completely online.
Okay, sir.
Session is completely online. So after 9:30 or 10 o'clock, you have any doubts, okay, you can come to office and meet and clarify the doubts and other things. But session is completely online.
Clear, sir. Thank you.
Sir, may I know what is your mobile app?
You please communicate with our admin. That is RTL online training from Play Store. You can download. Mostly today or tomorrow, we'll make one video and I'll post it in this YouTube channel. Otherwise, talk with this number. They'll be provide the details.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, questions.
Please.
So, like, we have classes, right? So the recording we sharing.
Every class, yes, every class will be recorded. Every class will be recorded and will be providing through Google Drive. You can go for download these videos and keep it in your last one only. Our batch has completed, and 4th. This is going to be January we started. The course duration, it takes 45 days to 2 months. 2 months it will take 45 days to. And then you can go for download all the videos and keep it in your local machine and for lifelong. And we'll provide you the instance access for 6 months minimum. 1 or 2 months it can be extended, not a problem. 6 to 8 months. 8 months also will provide, not an issue.
So is it separate chargeable, sir, or it includes in the course fees only?
In the course only, it's not chargeable instance. It comes in the course fees only. We'll provide up to 8 months, not a problem. We'll be creating a WhatsApp group. In our WhatsApp group, you will be able to communicate with us. Any doubts? I'm also in the part of WhatsApp group. That WhatsApp group will be always live during when you are preparing the resume, when you are applying for interviews, regarding any interview questions they have asked and you are not clear with that questions and all, I'll be able to help.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Please go ahead.
Yeah. So I don't have any IT experience and I have some gap in my career. So would like to start this course, and if I'm not get it done in the one. In the training period, can I continue in the next session as well?
No problem. No problem. Every 2 months, every 2 months or 1.5 months, we are going to have a batch. So you can inform to our admin, I would like to go ahead with the next batch, then they'll note it down and they'll allow you.
Sure, sir. Got you.
You need to inform to the administration early so that they'll allow you.
Yeah. Because of it. The only worrying thing for me is I have lot of 4 to 5 years gap in between my education and I would like to
No
start my
problem.
career.
You can communicate with our admin. They'll give you the complete plan how we can go ahead with the placements or if required and other processes.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
So thank you, guys. Today we discussed theoretical part of our cloud and different cloud applications companies, and I hope you got complete clarity about now difference between cloud and Fusion applications. Cloud is nothing but just a server. Oracle is going to provide. If client wants to use their applications, they can use, but Oracle also is ready to provide some applications like Oracle Fusion applications. And now Fusion applications is a ERP having different domains, finance, HCM, supply chain and all. So people start learning, working with the different domains. In domains also, again, there will be a number of modules, 8 to 9 modules, but not required all the modules. Minimum 2 modules are required. We are going to learn 4 modules are very strong. End-to-end implementation will be discussed. Okay. Thank you, guys. Let's see you tomorrow on the same time, same meeting ID. And as I said, we are going to have 3 demo sessions. This is our first demo. Let's connect tomorrow and day after tomorrow. And tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we are going to have complete practical. We'll be discussing a particular part. First, we'll see how we can communicate with our application, the navigations part and introduction of Fusion. Then we'll go enter into that. Okay. And this particular demo session, it will be uploaded in YouTube in another couple of hours. You can access from here. Once you subscribe here, you can access from here and go through this demo session. All the 3 demo sessions will be uploaded. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Let's see you tomorrow on the same time and same meeting ID. Thank you.